You might be surprised to learn that one of the handiest items you can keep around your house is, drumroll please, vinegar. Yep, it's not just for jazzing up your salad dressing. This humble pantry staple is a real MVP when it comes to tackling chores not just in the kitchen but all over your home. Thanks to its high acidity, vinegar is a jack of all trades, ready to battle stains, slice through grime, and so much more. And while there are a bunch of different vinegars out there, white vinegar takes the crown for being the ultimate cleaning champ without the risk of harming your surfaces. Still on the fence? Stick around and I'll show you some of the coolest ways vinegar can become your home care hero. In the kitchen. Hey, want to give your coffee maker a spa day? Try treating it to a diluted vinegar bath once a month. Just remember to give it a good rinse with clean water afterward. Got stainless steel cookware or sterling silver that's lost its shine? A mix of white vinegar and salt will have it sparkling in no time. For those pesky cutting boards, go full strength with vinegar to disinfect them. Microwaves get messy too, right? Pop some vinegar in a bowl of water, zap it for a few seconds, and watch the grime slide right off. And hey, if your sink's acting up and draining slow, a dynamic duo of baking soda, followed by vinegar, can work wonders. Just cover that drain up tight and let the fizzy magic happen. For hard water stains. Running into crusty lime deposits in your toilet bowl, bathtub, or sink? Vinegar is your best friend here. Soak or spray the trouble spots with vinegar and those hard watermarks will be history. This trick works wonders on shower heads and faucets clogged by hard water too. Give them a vinegar spot treatment and they'll be flowing smooth again. And the dishwasher. Vinegar is not just for cleaning dishes by hand, it's a dishwasher's dream too. Use it as a budget-friendly rinse aid for that crystal clear finish on your dishes. But don't stop there. Give your dishwasher itself some love with a vinegar cycle to bust through any lime or soap gunk messing with its mojo. Once a year should do the trick, or more if your water's on the hard side. Car care. Struggling with a stubborn bumper sticker? A few spritzes of undiluted white vinegar and you're set. And if your windshield wipers are just smearing things around, a vinegar-dampened cloth can clean those blades right up. Plus, during those frosty months, a swipe of diluted vinegar on your windows can keep them clear of ice. Pet care. Ever noticed your furry friends scratching their ears more than usual? It's a real bother for them, especially those cute dogs with floppy ears. Here's a gentle fix. Mix up a solution with 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water. Grab a clean rag and gently clean their ears. And oh, if your pet ever gets an unwelcome skunk perfume, skip the ketchup myth. Vinegar is your real hero here. It'll zap that stink right off, no tomato sauce needed. Plus, for those neighborhood cats treating your yard like their personal lounge, a regular vinegar spritz can kindly encourage them to find a new hangout spot. Cleaning tiles. When it comes to getting your tiles and grout looking spotless, vinegar isn't just a good idea, it's a great one. Opt for white vinegar though. It's safer for your home and packs a powerful cleaning punch. Just spray the vinegar on, let it sit and do its magic for a bit, then scrub away. You'll be amazed at the sparkle. In the laundry room. Vinegar in the laundry room? Absolutely! It's a champion against all sorts of stains, ketchup, mustard, you name it. Pre-treat those spots with the vinegar spray, then toss in the wash. For brighter whites, let them swim in a vinegar bath before washing. Adding vinegar to the rinse cycle cuts down detergent residue, meaning your clothes come out vibrant and fresh, minus the mildewy towel smell. Just a couple do, and even less for front loaders. A word to the wise, never mix vinegar with bleach. Trust me, you don't want to go there. Cleaning household items. Vinegar is pretty much the Swiss Army knife of green cleaning. Windows, hardwood floors, electronic screens, leather sofas, you name it. Vinegar cleans it. A soft cloth dipped in diluted white vinegar is your go-to for a clean, happy home. Whether it's making your kitchen sparkle, tackling hard water woes, sprucing up your dishwasher, or even car care, vinegar's got you covered. What's your first project gonna be? Please subscribe and hit the notification icon to stay up to date on our latest videos, health tips, and home remedies. Also, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and share this video if you found these tips helpful. Thank you for visiting with us today. Please be well, be wise, and take care.